Hi, I'm Mike Whitt. I'm a partner with Hahn Loeser Parks, and I practice in our Southwest Florida offices. For over 30 years, I've handled eminent domain cases across the state of Florida, and I'm privileged to continue to do that and to represent property owners here in Southwest Florida and beyond. Today, I want to speak to you about the pre-taking process. What do I mean by that? What is the pre-taking process? Well, before a condemning authority actually takes a property owner's property, there are many steps that the condemning authorities have to go through, and it takes a bit of time for them to get to the initial filing stage. And along the way, it's very important for property owners to make sure that they're taking the right steps to protect their interest and be able to maximize the compensation that they receive for the taking of their property. Frankly, the most important point that I always share with property owners when I speak to them is hire a lawyer. It is imperative that property owners hire competent eminent domain counsel to represent them from the very outset of the case, from the first time you find out that whoever the condemning authority is coming to take your property. We hope you hire our firm, but if not, please find competent counsel and don't try to go it on your own. Now, there's another important concept that you have to deal with right up front, and that is an issue called apportionment. And we're going to speak in another video about apportionment and what that is, what that means, and how important it is to you as the property owner. But just very briefly, apportionment means that there may be other people that have interest in your property. Maybe you are, as the property owner, are the landlord and you have tenants. Maybe you have a mortgage on the property. Well, the mortgage holder and tenants also may have a claim to a portion of the ultimate compensation that gets paid. And it's very important to plan for that right up front from the very, very beginning. One of the next important issues is whether or not you should have communications and contact with the condemning authority's representatives. We get that question all the time. Hey, the appraiser for the condemning authority is trying to contact me. They want to meet on site. I tell my clients all the time, don't have any communications with the condemning authority. There's no reason for you to do that. Refer them over to us as your counsel. We will handle that. One of the things that condemning authorities oftentimes try to do is get information from you that they can use against you as the case progresses through the court system. So don't talk to the condemning authorities representatives. There's another issue that comes up, not with every case, but there's another issue that comes up sometimes, and in particular with property that may be in the process of development. And it's important in this pre-taking process time frame to make sure that you take appropriate steps to, again, maximize your potential to receive compensation. So, for example, if you are a property owner and it's a commercial property, you have commercial tenants, it may be that you want to look at your lease and renew the lease or provide more options to renew the lease, and that will help maximize compensation. You may be a property owner that has land that you're in the process of trying to develop or get entitlements. So it's important to use this pre-taking time to submit site plans for approval, maybe get permits. We deal with that issue all the time, and it's really, really important that in this pre-taking process that you take every step to try to get that development process as far down the road as you can. Well, I hope you have found this video helpful on the pre-taking process. We look forward to hearing from you. I would invite you to reach out to us and visit our website at hahnlaw.com.